No Marvel's video. As you can see, I am using a new screen recorder and playing a new game. So let's just hop right into this by doing Scribblenauts Unlimited. So yeah, this is gonna be really fun. And if you want to know why I'm doing straight up a new screen recorder. The other one, it betrayed me. It just betrayed me. So I'm just gonna move this like right about here. Yeah, right there. That's good. So anyway, let's just get right into this. And data, I delete all data. Just yes. So anyway, I did have some data earlier from one of my test videos, but
you might not believe this, but Grandpa Edgar used to be the world's greatest adventurer. Grandma Julie would beg to differ. She was also an adventurer. Edgar would often brush away vines or open doors thought to be undisturbed for generations, only to find Julie was already there, having lunch. They competed like this on adventure after adventure. On one adventure, Julie beat Edgar to the top of a long-lost pyramid. But the treasure she found was an engagement ring. The two of them semi-retired to start a family, and they continued starting that family until they had 42 children.
14?
One day, Mom and Dad gave Maxwell and me two amazing gifts. The first was a magic globe that let you travel anywhere in the world. The second was the most amazing notebook. This notebook let you write any word in it, and poof, the word would come to life. Our parents were worried about us turning out to be spoiled little brats, so they sent us out to face the challenges of the outside world. On the road to the city, we ran into an old man who said he was hungry. Maxwell made something to give him, but he played a nasty trick. The apple was rotten. Oh, the old man spat it out as soon as he tasted it and was very angry. As he cast some sort of magic, he called us spoiled little kids and then disappeared. It didn't seem like anything had happened. But when Maxwell turned to continue down the road, I couldn't follow him. The old man had put a curse on me that was turning me to stone. We didn't know what to do. Luckily, our brother Edwin's farm was nearby. Boy, you should have seen how angry Edwin was. He couldn't believe what we did to the old man and said we probably deserved what we got. Lucky for us, Edwin knew about starites. Starites are magical objects born out of the happiness of others. If you do enough things to make others happy, you will find starite. Hopefully, if Maxwell used the notebook's power for good, he could collect enough starite to remove the curse. Maxwell said, "That's it! I'm gonna go out and do good things."
Yep, we get the idea. So let's just hop right into it. So guys, if we're getting comfy and we're making popcorn. What up? Turn the run of the litter into an award-winning pig. Right now, get the hell back to scrub the pig. Toxic. This creature did there. I'm gonna go littering. Puny. Big. Oh no, wait. Big. Wait, big. Just big. Well, big flaming wings to make me some bacon. I did, genius. Oh, I know. I can make it. You're kidding me. Dude, yes. The magic record. No, just put it on. Fine, I'll put it in the magic backpack. The tutorial didn't say anything about the magic backpacker. It just suddenly conjured wings. Sorry guys, if I'm not that talkative, I'm listening. Blah 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 blah. Blah 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 blah. It's a giggle blitz. Wake up. The basics completed. I'm not sure how far we'll get in this video, but what's back there? Ring. Find a rainstorm. Fine, if you don't want any guy you need. There's things in my... Wait. Reset. Sure. Yes. So, oh, the kitty! Yay, the kitty! You can hear me. Well, if it's heavy, the tree won't be able to support it. Support the cat. I mean, that means if I make the cat fat, kitty, come home. Now, where to go next? I can now play it. Options. Do not forget it. Forget it. I was gonna turn into admin, but forget it. The capital city. The capital. Man, the black screens on this game. Whoa, a lot of air pollution, I guess. Yeah, I can see it better. And the carnival games, of course. And the superhero in a busted car parked illegally. Someone to entertain you. Oh, I know. I know something that entertains you really jolly fun and evil, but funny clown. How swell. Hey, what a blood versus guy. I'm parked illegally. Tow truck. Get out of the way. What about you? Lonely cockroach. Let's see. Loneless. Lifeless. You have no life. How? I'm unsightly. Beautiful. No, wait, no, not Dorky. Dorky, not our password. Dorky, yes, Dorky. Let's look at that. Now you're beautiful. Fine, sight full. Sight full. Flaming. Don't care. Sightly, yeah. Sight. Isn't nature beautiful? Centaur. I know what this guy wants because I can read his mind. But that's a person! You have no centaur rights? Fine, you ask for it. A cow potato can be your sidekick. Cow potato. What can be your sidekick? What else? Fine. Lazy fat person. That's a wonderful sidekick. I know what was up with that. Fine, a fat person. You know what? Before we wrap this up, I might as well say something. A couple of announcements that I forgot to add at the beginning of the video. Number one, one dragon. Interact. It's swinging out of its head. Yeah, that was a whale. But anyway, this will be a double Slimy Plays Day, and also, I won't be doing videos on Thanksgiving because family, you know. But anyway, what was I gonna say? Oh yeah, I tried to do. Me and Lynn tried to do another thing, thing. It didn't. Attack of Hero Brian. Bye. Bye. Anyway, like, subscribe, and see you next time on Marvels. Sorry for talking so fast. Bye.